All right, so those are the food industry, delivery, or maybe just an Uber driver, or want to keep an eye of your map. This mount is what you need. Now, first of all, before you start installing, you got to make sure you clean the spot where the actual mount's going to go, because once you set this up, you don't want it to rotate anywhere else. And it's very simple. All you got to do is remove the actual back end of it, and it's a sticky part, and you can always lift it up, and if it gets dirty enough you can always rewash it, but once you set it up it stays there for a while. So just to let you guys know that it's very simple to remove and replace and actually move it over, but make sure you clean out your front of your other dashboard in order to set it up. So this one works very well, and it's ready to set up your phone on a click of a button, and you're all set. You could extend it, you could move it up and down, left and right, rotate it. So if you want to go vertical or horizontal, you can do that. And this is perfect because if you're going to put it way away from the actual way your visualization of your driving, this is perfect. So you can have full visual. Now it does come with a mount for an air conditioner, so that's optional if you want to mount your actual phone through here. If it's covering from you from driving, this is prevents you, and this is a perfect way also. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.